Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Now welcome to the fourth part of our Science Olympiad, that is human needs. And what we are going to learn in this part, we will learn the type of clothes and their care. Then we'll learn about the traditional dresses and uniform. Then we'll learn about the materials for clothes and safety rules, okay? And first aid. So let's start. So clothes are one of the basic needs that we need for what? To protect our body from cold, heat, rain, dust and insects bite. Yes, we wear clothes for that only, for protect our body. Early people, they use bark and leaves for to cover their body in the place of clothes, because that time clothes were not available. They were not aware with the cotton and with the silk. Okay, cloth is made up from the plant fibers naturally, from natural fibers, that is the plant fibers like the cotton, animal fiber or jute, or animal fiber like the silk and wool. Okay, now and also the man-made fiber also we man-made clothes we also use, that is of synthetic. Now we wear different clothes according to the climate. Cotton easily absorb the sweat, that is why we use the cotton clothes in the season of summer, but we wear the warm clothes or the wool and fur in the winter time. Why? Because that keeps our body warm. Okay, now see, there are some dresses showing here. This is a dress for the summer, as it is made up of cotton. Okay, this is the dress for the winter, made up of fur and winter clothes of wool. Okay, now winter is coming. Now we all will wear the wool dresses. Okay, the clothes made up of wool. Now see here, some professional wear a particular types of clothes and can be identified from their clothes only. So what we can say, a doctor generally wear a coat in white color. See, doctor in white color with his stethoscope. An army man or soldier wear a uniform that has an earthy color and has pattern on it. Why? To help the soldier to blend with the surrounding and remain hidden behind the tree, right? And that is called the camouflaging. Okay, now see, the pilot dress of pilot is different. Now here, our country and cultural traditional also determine our clothing. Like Indian women wear sari. Yes, we wear sari, and Japanese women, they wear the kimonos. This is the Japanese dress. See, this is the Japanese dress. And in our country, different states have different traditional dresses. As Bengal people wear the Bengali dresses, Punjabis are wear the Punjabi kurtas and all, right? So like that only. In Gujarat, people wear different dresses, ghagra choli. In Rajasthan as well. So our country has different. Like if you'll go to the Assam, you will see that people are wearing the mekhlas and all, right? So these are the different dresses wearing in the different tradition and different state of our country, but still we have the unity. With so many difference or so many diversity, we have the unity. Now see here, safety rules and first aid. So what are the safety rules are there and why this occur? Safety rules are some rules that can avoid accident. Yes, and you know why accident occur? Because of the carelessness. First aid is the help that you give to the person before going to the doctor, right? So we all have first aid at our home, first aid box. So अगर हमें कहीं कट लग जाए या हमें चोट लग जाए तो we put some ornaments and the band-aid and all, right? So and अगर ज़्यादा इंजरी हो तो हम डॉक्टर के पास जाते हैं. Now see here, we should take care of our clothes. Clothes are last longer if they are cleaned and keep properly, right? अगर हम clothes को अच्छे से साफ करके रखें, dirty ना रखें, तो वो बिल्कुल भी काफ़ी दिन तक रहता है और बिल्कुल अच्छे से रहता है. Some insects can also destroy our clothes, so we should protect the clothes from this disease by keeping mothballs between them. Okay, देखना हमारे अलमारी में हमारे मदर्स क्या करते हैं, mothballs यानी फिनोप्थेलिन balls डाल देते ताकि insect ना increase हो. Okay, I hope you are clear with it. Now let's see the practice questions. So what is the first one? Which of the following statement is incorrect? Let's see. Lycra is a synthetic fiber. Dark color clothes should be wear in the direct sun. No, dark color clothes अगर हम direct sun में पहनेंगे तो हमें और गर्मी लगेगी. We like to wear dark color clothes in winter. Yes, it may be. Early men wore clothes made up of leaves and bark of tree. So yes, early men जो है ये सही है, वो bark of trees पहनते थे. we like to wear dark color clothes in winter, ये भी सही है. And lycra is a synthetic fiber is also right. Which is the wrong one? The number B, that is the dark color clothes should be wear in the direction. Okay, now select the odd one. What is the odd one? We'll see. Nylon is made up of man-made fiber, silk natural fiber, wool natural fiber, cotton is natural fiber. Then what will be the answer? Nylon. Okay, nylon जो है वो man made है और बाकी सारा natural है. Now see number 3, that is the people shown here belong to the state. यहाँ पे देखो इन लोगों ने कुछ ड्रेस पहना है, ये कौन से स्टेट से देखते हैं? लाल पर साड़ी है, धोती कुर्ता है. So it is of West Bengal where we live. Okay. Now see here, select the option that on the unscrambling given the name of the clothing item worn in winter. So यहाँ पे unscrambling word है जिसे हमें scramble करना है, सही करना है और हमें देखना है कि which is the correct one. Okay, which is the correct one. Now the answer will be number D. Okay, the answer will be number D, as these all are wear in the winters, all of these. See how number A अगर हम इसे ठीक करेंगे तो it will be muffler. अगर number B will do it, then it will be sweater, and number D will be cardigan. Okay, so this all we wear in the winters. Okay, so the number D will be the right answer, all of these. Now come to question number 5. Clothes can be protected from the insect by placing dash between them. So हमने पहले ही देखा था what we can keep. We can keep the neem leaves. Orange peel रख के ठीक कर सकते हैं. Can we keep the orange peels? No, ये orange peels तो खराब हो जाएगा. Coriander leaves पे से भी नहीं कर सकते. We can keep the neem leaves. Okay, वो भी dry किया हुआ. सूखा neem leaves अगर आप कपड़े के अंदर रख दे, अलमारी के अंदर रख दे तो उसमें इंसेक्ट नहीं आते. The dress shown in the picture, here is the dress. Okay, is known as the traditional dress of. So ये कौन सा है? It is kimono found in Japan. Okay, kimono तो ऑस्ट्रेलिया में नहीं होता है. ये हैंडबुक ऑफ जापान भी नहीं है. It's a kimono of Japan. Okay. Now see number 7. Which of the following is incorrect statement? यहाँ से कौन सा wrong है? We should not leave toy on the floor after playing. Yes, is it true? हमें नहीं छोड़ना चाहिए. We should not mop the bathroom after the taking bath. We should always swim in the presence of an adult. It's also correct. Adult के सामने ही रह के आपको swim करना है, अपने किसी guardian को रख के. We should not consume any medicine on our own. Yes, it is also correct. हमें खुद से medicine नहीं लेना चाहिए. We should ask our parents or our elders. So what will be the right answer? Number B. It is the incorrect one. Okay, और हमें incorrect को ही अंडरलाइन करना था. ठीक है, सो द आंसर विल बी नंबर बी. वी शुड नॉट मोप द बाथरूम. हमें बाथरूम फ्लोर मोप करना चाहिए, सुखा देना चाहिए, अदरवाइज वी कैन फॉल, वी कैन स्लीप एंड फॉल. नाउ नंबर 8. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट आर करेक्ट? विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट आर करेक्ट? Okay, now number 8. Which of the following statement is correct? Which is the correct statement? Let's see. Silverfish and moths can damage the clothes. Moths cannot be damage the clothes. ये moths जो है वो damage नहीं करता, protect करता है. Mundo is a single piece clothes of garment worn in the Kerala on the lower portion of the body from waist to feet. Okay. Now, mango leaves can be put in the fold of clothes to protect them from the being damaged. It's wrong. And number 4, silk clothes should be washed with gentle soap or can be dry clean. Number 4, it can be also right. So what will be the right answer? Yes, the right answer will be let's see what will be the right answer. The right answer will be Mundi is a single piece of clothes garment wherein the Kerala. It's the correct one. Number 2. And silk clothes should be washed with soap with gentle care. Okay, now number A will be the answer, that is 1 and 4. Okay, 1 and 4. Okay, now number 9. People wear different clothes depending upon the climate and cultural tradition of the place they live in. The traditional dress of Maharashtra. Okay, what is the traditional dress of Maharashtra? The traditional dress of Maharashtra is dhoti, kurta and Nawari sari. Okay, the people of Maharashtra, they wear the Nawari sari, dhoti and kurta. Okay. नाउ देखो कि यहाँ बहुत से ऑप्शन है जो मैच नहीं होगा, ठीक है. नाउ सी द नंबर 10. सेलेक्ट द करेक्ट ऑप्शन टू आइडेंटिफाई द स्टेट्स, यूनियन टेरिटरीज टू विच ऑफ द पीपल शोन हियर. ओके, लेट्स सी. नंबर 1 विल बी, who are the number 1? They have wear the Bengali dresses. Number 2 are looking like the Gujaratis. Number 3 are looking like Kashmiri and number 4 are Punjabis. Okay. So number 1 are not Bengalis, they are looking like the Nagaland people. Okay, because if Nagaland people or Maharashtra, it's a little bit confusion with this. Okay, yes, they are looking like the Maharashtra because she has worn the dhoti type sari. See, Nawari sari. So number 1 will be Maharashtra, number 2 will be Rajasthan. Okay, number 2 will be Gujarat, not Rajasthan, because she has the men has worn this type of dress. Then Jammu and Kashmir and then Punjab. Then what will be the right answer? The right answer will be B. Okay, now match the column 1 with the column 2 and select the correct option. Dirty clothes. What will be the dirty clothes? Can make you sick. Okay, tight clothes make you feel uncomfortable. Warm clothes protect you from the cold. Number 4, cotton clothes make you feel cold. And number E, can protect you from the rain. So what will be the answer? A will be, what will be the answer? The answer will be number C. Okay, the answer will be number C. Now come to number 12. Apply a paste of baking soda with water on the affected part. If हम बेकिंग सोडा का पार्ट कब लगाते हैं हमारे बॉडी पे? व्हेन समवन इज बिटन बाय वास्प. ओके, अगर वास्प आपको काट लेता है, सो वी पुट द बेकिंग सोडा. वाई? बिकॉज दे हैव द फॉर्मिक एसिड व्हेन दे स्टिंग. सो to neutralize the formic acid we need to put some base. So baking soda is a base. Okay, now number 13. Select the correct option about the lady in the picture. So this is the lady which she wear the dress. She has worn the Nawari sari. Okay, now see, she is wearing a special sari called the Firan that is worn by most of the South Indian peoples. Now see, she belongs to a state where the native language is Malayalam. She belongs to Bhutan, a neighboring country of India, and none of this. Okay, what will be the answer? She is belonging to Maharashtra. Okay, she is belonging to Maharashtra, but here is no option for the Maharashtra. Okay, here is no option for the Maharashtra, so the answer will be none of this. Okay, now see number 14. Why do we prefer to wear white or light colored clothes in summer? Because this clothes reflect the heat and keep the body cool. Yes, maybe this clothes absorb the heat. No, they does not absorb the heat. अगर absorb करते हैं तो हमें गर्मी लगेगा. This clothes reflect heat and keep the body warm. ये भी नहीं होगा. We need to keep our body cool. So the answer will be A. Okay. Number 15. Bhumi, read the weather forecast of the coming week of July as shown here. And by so we read the we also read. I also used to read the weather forecast. So what is the weather? What will be the weather for the next week or next month? Okay. So which of these will most probably be used by her in such a weather? So see, in Monday she has seen that there is rainy. Tuesday को भी rainy है. Wednesday को partly cloudy. Thursday partly cloudy and Friday also partly cloudy. So what is the weather? So she should wear the umbrella, raincoat and woolen socks. Umbrella, raincoat is correct, but why two woolen socks? No, it will not be woolen socks. Woolen socks तो हम कब पहनते हैं? विंटर में. Raincoat, gumboot and woolen gloves. No, gumboots, raincoats is correct, but woolen gloves तो हम विंटर में लेते. Why in the rainy? It's looking like कि ये rainy है. Number C, raincoat, umbrella and gumboots. Maybe. Okay, umbrella, gumboots and sweater is also wrong. So the answer will be number C. We wear the raincoat, we take the umbrella and gumboots we wear in our feet for what? To protect us from our body from the rain. Okay. Now see the HOTS question, that is higher order thinking skill questions. Study the given word grid carefully. So here the given word, how many natural fibers, synthetic fibers are hidden here? So we need to check it. Okay, we need to check it very carefully. And what will be the answer? Answer will be number A. You do it by yourself only. ठीक है, आप इसे print out करके खुद से करके देखना. So we'll get the natural fiber 4 and synthetic fiber 2. Now refer to the given graph showing temperature changes at a place over a year. यहाँ पे graph which is showing the changes of temperature over a year. Select the correct option regarding it. So what is the correct option? The correct option will be number D. All are not correct, because see here number A is showing at time P one should wear a sweatshirt and the woolen parts. No, temperature ज़्यादा है. P में आप देखो 40 डिग्री है, तो 40 डिग्री में आप वुलन शर्ट्स नहीं पहन सकते. अब now we'll see the number Q. At time Q one should wear muffler and woolen clothes. No, यहाँ भी नहीं, because woolen clothes ये भी देखो आप almost 30 डिग्री के आसपास में है, so तभी भी टेम्परेचर काफ़ी हाई है, you can't wear. In number C and number R one should wear shorts and cotton t-shirts. ये भी हाई है. ठीक है, आप नो सॉरी आर में देखो 10 डिग्री है. 10 डिग्री में क्या आप शॉर्ट शर्ट और कॉटन टी शर्ट पहन सकते हो? नो, तब तो बहुत कोल्ड हो जाता है. यू नीड टू वेयर द woolen clothes. So all are incorrect, so the answer will be number D. Okay, now here is a direction. Refer to the given word, grid the answer in the following question. Okay, now see number 18. Some uniforms are shown here and the name of the professional who wears the one these uniform is hidden. So these are the hidden in the word grid. Here it has these are the words are hidden in the word grid only. So identify the one and select the correct option. Okay, so what we can say in number A, the answer will be in number A, this is for the doctor, this is for the advocate, this is for the soldier, this is for the policeman. Okay, now number 19, the material used to make dash can be found in this grid. So this is the dress, and this is for the cotton one. Okay, cotton and wool. So what we can say, this is of wool, this is of leather, this is of cotton, and this saree is of silk, and this we can find it with the grid only. Now select the correct sequence in the word. So there are sequence, fill in the blanks the following statements. So fiber do not absorb sweat. Which do not absorb sweat? Synthetic fiber. Okay, dash and dash wear white coats. Doctor and nurses wear the white clothes. Okay, number 2 and number dash is the national dress of Korea, hanbok. Okay, so we are done with this chapter. If you have any doubt, then you can ask me. Okay, and please go through this, and this question will not come, but yes, a similar type of question will come for the examination. So best of luck for examination, and thank you so much.